it's me, Zayfo Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. Further to my 3D printing issues, I have been listening to some of the advice given in the comments on my other video, and it was suggested that I use glue sticks like this instead of this hairspray. Well, I've already been using glue sticks on the previous set of printing, which actually did do a lot better. Even though this printing is by no means good, it was a lot better than I've done with this orange stuff. I suspect that the problem is not actually what I'm holding the print on with, but it's actually this orange stuff. I don't know the manufacturer, but it just does not seem to be good stuff. I don't have any other colour at the moment to compare it with. I think it's the orange filament. I have not been very happy with any of the 3D printing that has turned up. Now, somebody did say that that the problem with the 3D printing could be humidity, and I do have a humidity thing here, and it is currently 61 Fahrenheit and 70% humidity in here. I can do nothing about the humidity. If this stuff needs to be bone dry, well, I'm out of luck with 3D printing anyway. So I'm honestly, I've just about had it with 3D printing. It just really isn't worth my time. Now this is an option. This is a little drill press thingy that I got on I think eBay, and it actually works pretty well. If I can find a 9-volt battery, there we are. Let's see if we can put some power through it. That seems to, and indeed it spins, although it needs more than 9 volts and a higher amperage. Probably the 1214 I've got here will work nicely. I do have a slider somewhere. I do have a slider which it would be nice to attach this to. How I'm going to do it, I do not know. I'm going to have to work on that, and that's quite an interesting little engineering challenge, but I actually rather like this thing. And to be quite frank, all I'm doing is I'm building robot chassis. And this 3D print thing, yeah, it's nice, but I need physical chassis, and I can drill the holes for bolts a lot faster than I can 3D print some crap. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to get to, I've got a slider somewhere, I don't know where it is. I might have to buy another one, maybe a couple more, and I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I have because I'm just be drilling strips, I might just mount this like that and then just move the work to and fro. That would work as well. As I said, how I'm going to mount it all, I'm not entirely sure right now, but I'll have to think about that. As I said, all I need to do is drill aluminium strip. I don't need to have anything fancy. So yeah, I think 3D printing is one of those things that really is not worth my time or my effort. And fortunately this printer was free, because it arrived, then the motherboard blew up, so I spent $20 on another motherboard. So I'm out $20 for that. I'm out $10 for extra build plates, so that's $30. I'm out $5 for the replacement nozzle, So that's $35, and I bought 3 rolls of this stuff. This one doesn't work. This one was the wrong material, so that one doesn't work. So that's $20 wasted there. And of course, this roll, which was green filament that I used up, that was money well spent, although it didn't produce anything really worthwhile. And that thing, of course. There's a lot, and I found far more problems with printing and print wastage than I actually had successes. And I think, as I said, 3D printing is nice if you've got the time and if you're prepared to spend the money and all the effort. But for everything else, just use a darn drill press.